In this video, we will show you how to check screen time on Android smartphone. If you have Android smartphone and you want to check your screen time, this is maybe different on each models, but if you're using Samsung, okay, you can go to settings after you scroll down on the bar and click setting here. And then you can select the digital well-being, okay. You can see here, this is digital well-being and parental controls. You can click here and you can see this is your screen time duration. This is for today. I just screen time in approximately 1 hour 33 minutes, and you can click to see the details. Okay, in here, this is today for 27 July in 2026. You can see before in 26 I have the screen time in approximately 13 hour. Okay, and you can also click view all to see what's application that you use on that day. Okay, and you can see the Mobile Legends Bang Bang in here is the most approximately 7 hours, and you can click back here. And actually, if your smartphone doesn't have digital well-being, okay, you can install another application that's similar on Google Play Store. That's very much application. Or in here, if you want to using the timer, okay, you can click set a goal in here. You can set screen time goal, for example, in 5 hours, 7 hours, or another. You can also limit the application in app timers. We will discuss or show tutorial in this case, okay, in the next video. So this is just preview. You can see you can select any item like games, social media, application, or another. Okay, and in Google Play Store, there is also screen time. If you check if your smartphone doesn't have the screen time as default, okay, you can see there is many screen time, okay, screen time control in the Google Play Store if your smartphone doesn't have. On Samsung, you can just scroll down like this and select settings, and you can see on your smartphone also. Maybe it's also have the default feature like digital wellbeing on smartphone like Samsung. That's all tutorial how to check screen time on Android smartphone. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.